Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today I've got a real short video here. I learned something this week or a couple weeks ago from one of the viewers. Name's Marcel. When he was watching the assembly of the DT175, he contacted me and said, "Hey, you left the washer out that goes on the oil pump." And I didn't know what he was talking about, and I went back and looked at the IPB and the parts fish, and this is a 75. I looked at 75 and I did not see a washer there. And he called me on the phone and we talked about it a little bit, and I went back to the fish, or the IPB, Illustrated Parts Breakdown, and looked at 74. It still wasn't there. And when I went to a 76 model, it showed it. Now, it's my understanding that these pumps all changed in 74. So if that's true, then the 74 and the 75 probably have to have this too. And you know, I don't know, but I know that it's real easy to lose it if you pull the pump off and turn it upside down. You know, you'll lose the oil out of there, you'll probably lose that washer, all that stuff. So I'm going to show you where it is and what to look for, and if you need that washer, you can get it for a 76. You can order it there. So let me get you over to the bench, and I'll show you what's up with this. And thanks again, Marcel, for bringing that to my attention, because I had no idea about it. These pumps are built differently than the older pumps. So let's get to it here. Okay, the item we're talking about, when you put it together, you're going to put a washer right here on this shaft. And here is the washer. It's really small. It's easy to see how you could lose it. And it measures 11 millimeter OD, 8.18 ID, and it's a millimeter thick. And here is the number. Okay, the only one that I can say for sure that it comes on is the 76 and probably up, because that's where I first found it in the IPB. But this is a 75 and I've got a 75 pump here, so I'm assuming that you need this for all of them. And you know, it's just that it probably controls this end play of the right here, and where it is in here. And I'm gonna show you here in a minute a little better picture. I'm going to take a couple stills. Okay, I'm going to try to get you a shot here, but I know it's probably going to be better in the stills. That washer is going to end up right here. Right down there. And when you look in here, you see a step down. Now on the other pump, you're going to see a step up, and that one doesn't require the washer. Okay, this is the old style pump in the same place down here, but there is a step up instead of a step down. So no No washer required on this one. And again, I'll show you the still of that. Okay, then again, when you put your pump on, you got your gasket on there. And let me get you a little closer up maybe. Then you're going to put your washer on right there. And then go ahead and install your pump. I've got all the lines here kind of holding me up. There. So then you should be good. I'm sure that it has something to do with the end play, since this pump, the 74 up pumps, have that step down. So evidently they noticed that when they made the pump and had decided to put the washer in to make up for that clearance. Okay guys, that's it. Just a little short video to show that difference. I was certainly unaware of it. I had never worked on any of these, anything older than the 73s, or newer than the 73s. So it was new to me, and took Marcel to let me know that that even existed. So it was, you know, at first I really didn't understand what he was telling me, and then I kind of thought I did, and I looked in there and it doesn't show one. And I let him know that, and he looked and he goes, yeah, you're right. I don't know why it doesn't show it, but it's there. And he said that the 73 down pumps don't have that because they're made different. And indeed, he's right. But anyhow, I just thought I would bring that to everybody's attention. I'm sure that you 74 up guys know about that. But if you don't, now you do. And I do too. And I really appreciate people letting me know about things like that so that I can correct them and hopefully get the word out. So if anybody's looking for it, I showed the part number and I showed all the dimensions of that. And you know, the only thing that I can assume is it's correcting the in and out movement, how much space is there for it to be, for the pump to be engaged with the worm gear. But it's not mine to wonder why, it's just mine to do or die, so the saying says. But little washer might have a big effect. Thanks for going along on the ride. See you next video.